the Giant Panda from Safari Ltd. seems to be people's favorite animal amongst my collection. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Is it one of your favorites as well? Are you waiting to hear what I think about this figure? Let's find out what I think. So the paint job. So the Giant Panda isn't a complex figure. There isn't a lot of colors to the figure. They're simply white and black. Pretty simple. And yet, it looks great. So I'm giving this figure a 10 out of 10. There is a yellow stain on this figure, and I think it's from me. Either rubbing up against something. I don't know, but I'm still giving it a 10 out of 10. Sculpt. The sculpt on this guy tells me that he's walking through the forest, or she is. I'm not sure which. I'm partial to it. It gets a 10 out of 10 for me for sculpt. Realism. Its realism is spot on. It looks like a giant panda. It may not be the best of the best, but it's the only giant panda in my collection, so it gets a 10 out of 10 from me for that. This gives the Giant Panda a score of 30. Closing thoughts. So when I was a kid, this animal was not classified as a bear. But sometime around the 1900s, this animal was re-looked at. And work was done on its genetics, and guess what? They re-identified it as a bear. So in my collection, I don't have a whole lot of bears. I have a polar bear, a spirit bear, a black bear, a grizzly bear, and maybe that's it. And the pandas. So, anyway, guys, thank you for being with me tonight, and I will see you in the next one.